Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing well. Well, let's get into it. As you know, I do have a Scentbird subscription, not sponsored by Scentbird, but I do enjoy dipping my toes into different fragrances and trying them and experiencing them and kind of seeing what's happening on the happening. So I did get to experience finally VIVAMOR's Parfums, and this is Caramel Pop. I've heard so many things about this fragrance, so I'm glad I got to add this to my queue. And so let's get into it. Okay, you all know how we do, so let's get into some more deets. Now, first up, do I think this fragrance is versatile? Do I think this fragrance has versatility? I would have to say not really. If we're talking about seasons, okay, I don't see me wearing this in the summer or springtime. It really was more of a heavier fragrance, in my opinion, in my experience. So I could see this more in like the fall and winter. So not for all season and probably not for all occasions. So let's get into that. So for occasions, I can see myself wearing this to like the movies, if I'm going to the mall, running errands, something very casual, okay? Even if I was hanging out with my girlfriends, I wouldn't say a real fancy place, but something like, you know, we wanted to catch up on the catching up, something easy breezy I would wear, but something also fun. I can also see this for a carnival or maybe a state fair if you have something like that. I could see this for those types of occasions. Now, packaging. What do I think about the packaging? I think the packaging is spot on with what the fragrance is, okay? This is called Caramel Pop. And so it looks like it's brown or tan. So yeah, I love the packaging. I love that it has this gold top. It's very simplistic. So I absolutely, yeah, I can get with the packaging. Now, price. Where is this price at? I've seen this at Neiman Marcus actually for like $145. I don't know if you can get it from the actual site for probably cheaper, maybe. I'm not sure on that, but I have seen this for the $145 range, which I think is a pretty good deal, especially what fragrances have been running. So I can get with the pricing too. Now, do I think this fragrance leans more feminine or masculine? I mean, I feel like this is very unisex. I can see a male wearing this, but there is a but. I feel like a male would absolutely have to love a good, realistic, gourmand type of fragrance, like Caramel Pop. Like, we'll get into it more, but I think you would have to like that profile to enjoy it, female or male. Like, if you don't like realistic gourmand, even if you're a female, you might not get along with this fragrance. This fragrance was launched in 2023, so it's not a newer fragrance, but let's get into the notes. So notes, we have popcorn, bergamot, we have chestnut, caramel, and orchid, we have vanilla absolute, benzoin, and Virginia cedar, okay? So now that we've gotten into all the deets, let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. So first and foremost, if you do not like caramel, and if you do not like caramel popcorn, the smell of caramel popcorn, you're not going to like this fragrance. Sis, turn away. Don't even look at it. It's not for you. If you do not, again, like caramel popcorn, which is the star of this fragrance, like, I can't see you getting along with this. I love the smell of this fragrance, but that's because I love caramel. I love gourmand. I love sappy and heavy, and this is a heavy caramel popcorn fragrance. But I love that type of scent profile. I love a foodie gourmand. You all know me. So if you do not like a foodie, sticky caramel popcorn type of gourmand scent, because that's exactly what this is. but this lasts. And I believe this is maybe a sister company of Navitus, I believe I've heard. Either way, I need to get my coins, my hands, my pockets on this fragrance. But I want to wear this in the fall, like Halloween, like carnival, fair type of fragrance. Like I need to wear it in that setting. Because I feel like it would just be unique to that type of setting and very fun and free and different, right? I have like some peach, I have some foodie gourmand type of scent in my collection that I absolutely adore, but I love wearing them during like fun, like even my cotton candy scents. Like I love wearing them during fun fairs or fun days. Cause I know like you don't always have to take your fragrances so serious. Okay, you don't have to be serious every day. I mean, we work. And some of us work in a serious work situation, and we need a little fun, okay? And so I love that this fragrance makes me smile. I enjoy this quite a bit. Now, on the male side of things, again, I could see a male wearing this in kind of the same setting, but you would like, if you are a man that likes, like, I like that woody, dumb chuck. Like, I don't even know what that was. Okay, but if you like this, like, heavy woods type of scent, you're not going to like this chestnut. Like, you're not going to like this popcorn caramel type of scent. It's just not going to be your jam. You're going to be like, absolutely not. With sugar on top. And respectfully, I decline. So I would be cautious. But again, if you are more like your sis and you don't mind having a fun fragrance, having a fun free type of fragrance, this will be your jam. Like, for sure. This is gourmand on steroids. I love it down. And I love the caramel. I love that it also lasts, right? So you get to have this fun like throughout the fragrance. It is so good and yummy. It's scrumptious. It makes me just want to eat my hand. Not too much, but it is very good. I would highly recommend you get your nose on this fragrance. Well, that's all, fam, for my thoughts on this VIVAMOR Caramel Pop. Okay, definitely adding it to my collection, adding it to the wish list. At least. Well, fam, have you tried this fragrance? I would love to know your thoughts. Do you love it? Where do you wear this fragrance to, right? Is it anywhere? Is it somewhere fun? Is it to work? Like, tell me all the deets, okay? Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. If you love the content, make sure you give me the thumbs up so other family members can come to this channel, all right? Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.